Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing another Bakugan unboxing. It's going to be a Baku Baku gear pack. This is the Bakugan Armored Alliance Season 2. So yeah, here's the Bakugan trap. Here's the back. 4 ability cards, 8 Baku cores, 4 character cards. Oh god, there. And here's the Bakugan. 2 Ultras, level 3. I don't have a level 3 yet. And it's, of course, Pirates and Darkest. That's why I got this pack. Is the Pirates, Darkest. And these are extras. Dragonoid. Don't know what that Dragonoid and Hydronoid right there. This is a 3-headed Hydronoid. That's cool. Of course, Hydronoid. Let's get, oh god, no. Okay, let me just grab my multiple knives I have on my table. Pop. Yeah. If you guys don't know, I used to really collect knives. I have a whole bunch now in my room. Oh god. Yes, I am going to be doing a lot more Bakugan stuff. So yeah. I still will be doing Beyblade more. Because I don't do a lot of Bakugan stuff. Okay. There we go. Oh god, that was close to my hand. God damn it, on this side too. Goddamn tape was everywhere. Ugh. And also I'm freaking tired as hell, so. Doing it for you guys. Definitely doing it for you guys. There you go. Okay, there's this. I do these. Ooh. Let me get the Bakugan out. That's a cool little pack. There's the normal Bakugan. God damn, that looks cool as hell. Okay, stay. Go, stay. Oh god. Oh god, no. Oh god. Let me just cut that. Okay, yeah. I'm not trying to break it or cut myself right now, so let me just where's my freaking thing? Oh wait, here's my smaller one. Okay. Yeah, I just made a smaller one. God damn, this thing was sharp as hell. Okay. God damn, this thing. God damn. Definitely sharpen your knives. God damn it. God damn it. Is there any more? Bacon right there. Bacon. Fuck. Yeah. God damn, that was cool. Let's see if I know how to do this. 700. God damn, 700 B power. Okay. Okay, I folded it up. Definitely going to do some test rolls with it. Here is the Baku piece, or the Baku gear. Okay. God damn it. Why? Okay, there we go. Okay, there it is. Put that to the side. The side pieces I probably won't use. There we go. Okay. Level 3. Look at that detail. But yeah. It's easy. What the hell? This is a level 3? Wow. Freaking not a level 3. That was freaking easy, so yeah. Oh. Let's get the ability cards and gate cards and shit like that. And character cards, I mean. Yes. Baku cores, okay. I don't need that. I know how to do that. How to put that together. Rolls, okay. Okay, I've got this one was called, but there we go. That's actually pretty good. 200B. Did I cut myself? Okay, now. That's the shield. Green fist. Ooh. 500 plus. For fusion, I think it was. 500B plus B. That's the shield. Fire fist. Ooh, that's a trap fire fist. Ooh, that could be good. Yay. Ooh, I actually am looking for traps and stuff like that, so I can stay on the other person's side. Yeah, on my side. I mean, yeah, on the opponent's side, so yeah. Let's put this together. And let's do... I haven't done this yet, so... Since the last video was the last time I did it. And the ability cards, okay. Okay, there is this one. Aquas. Okay, and here's the ability cards. So, Howler is 700 damage, 700B and 2 damage. Double shield. Okay. Saber. Oh god, sorry. Is a shield and a green fist, 700, 1 damage, 5 energy to use, 5, yeah, for fusion. I'm guessing. I need to get you to know this. Dragonite and mixed. Okay. Finally, Hydronoid called Kigger, whatever it is. These names are weird as hell. All the names are weird and for these guys, so let's do the cores. The normal Bakugan. And then we'll do ultras. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I had to get this measured out. I added. Oh, that's backwards. Oh shit, that's actually pretty cool. That's freaking cool as hell. It's pretty easy to put together. Okay. Yeah. There. Oh, see what's going on. Okay. Oh, that's why. Fixed it. Okay. Let's go to this guy. Okay. Where's that? I'm getting a lot better at with rolling. Okay. 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 That's pretty cool. This one's actually pretty easy to close. Let's get the head down. There we go. Kimbo, okay. Sorry, and stuff on my phone. Let's get this guy. This ultra try. Let's see, where's it? Okay. There's this. Right here. No. Oh! Perfect. That landed perfect. Nice. That seriously landed. Oh, got it. And it landed on the negative. Okay. I got. Shit. Okay. I'm probably going to probably use this one. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. That's pretty cool. And this. There we go. Oh, God. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.